Hello everyone, this is Abdul Salam in front of you. Hopefully all are fine. I'm also doing great by the grace of Almighty Creator. In this video, I would like to say something about in this location. Okay. So dear lovely friends, today I have come here at this moment and as we can see in our behind side, this is the Brahmaputra river. This is the English a specific word I don't know. This is actually Bengali word kaisha. Okay, so dear friends, actually all around side actually desert, Brahmaputra desert, and now I am standing here. Okay, so because I am for my own reason I have come here because uh, our actually my mother uh, she has come here because it's called খড়ি খুঁড়তে আইছে বাট আমি সেটা নিতে আসছি ওকে সো dear friends and as well as I am making video for learning English. Okay, so this is the natural environment. So I after a long time I have come here. Okay, and before 1 year ago I had come here, and today also I have come here. Okay, so and dear friends, actually English you can every moment you practice for learning English. Okay, so and I will and I uh, also making this at this moment for learning English video. Okay, so you can see this is the very mesmerizing scenery. Wow, so today actually very sunny day, and actually sun very sunny, so that's why uh, I take gamosa and in my head on my head. Okay, so no any other person at this moment, only one me. Okay, so very amazing, very mesmerizing. So dear lovely friends, all around side very amazing. So thank you.